This piece on my left and your right is a paper construction, and it's number 15. And I think that I may be up to 30 of them. I'm not positive. At least the last 5 or 6 are in progress still. But they are leftover parts from working on the doorway series, the first one that we talked about, and then also too, they're parts of how I do the drawings when I'm trying to figure out what colors I'm going to use. And then those leftover pieces aren't, I just hate to waste them, and they're so beautiful sometimes, and they fall into combinations that I don't think of because it's smaller pieces, and I like to continue building with them, still sticking with the vertical and horizontal construction, that more alluding to architecture than landscape, but it's always about what's outside and inside the form as I make my decisions, and sometimes the decisions get laid on top, and sometimes they're underneath, but I eventually construct them, glue them down, and then cut them out again so that they're one piece, and then mount them from that point.